You know that feeling you get when you've been working on something really, really hard, through all the blood, through all the sweat and all the tears, and then you're about to share it with people? Well, that's where I'm at right now. My wife Lauren and I, we've been working on this new program called Yoga Detox 30, which is this 30-day comprehensive program for people that want to become free of addiction and negative habits. It's going to start streaming on Interdimension TV Wednesday, March 17th. And I want to give you a little glimpse as to what the program's like. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. All right, so what did you think? Pretty crazy, pretty intense, right? Definitely not your conventional yoga promo, but honestly, that's what I'm passionate about, creating these ancient teachings of yoga and presenting it in a modern, compelling way. So if you're interested in the program, super comprehensive, there's power yoga, there's yin yoga, there's inspirational talks, a digital booklet, a calendar, a meal plan, recipes, access to a private Facebook group to connect you with yogis from all around the world. And I'll finish by sharing one last piece of trivia. The set where we filmed Yoga Detox 30 is the exact same set of Batman's garage in that movie, The Dark Knight. It was such a cool place to shoot it. I remember being in downward facing dog and looking up and just seeing these light panels, like a light panel infinity pool that just went on and on and on. Definitely one of the coolest places that I've ever gotten to practice yoga. And hopefully if you join the program, you'll feel the same way. So I hope you enjoy the promo. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're excited. And I hope you can join us on this powerful 30-day journey. Thank you.